Attention all passengers. Flight 472 to London is delayed. Please proceed to gate D9 for your final boarding call.
What? What did they just say? Did they say our gate changed? William, I didn't understand anything.
Don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll understand every word. Welcome to Real English Podcast. Hello everyone, I'm William from Sydney, Australia. Today's episode is one of the most practical we've done. Airport announcements in English can be very fast and full of specific vocabulary. We are going to break them down for you.
And I'm Sarah from New York. William and I are sitting at our gate. There were announcements, and I was completely lost. So today, delays, gate changes, and boarding calls. Let's figure this out together. Okay, William, we're sitting at gate C7, and I keep hearing these announcements over the speakers. What do you call those speakers?
They're called the PA system, short for public address system. When you hear an overhead announcement, that's the voice coming from those speakers in the ceiling.
Got it. Oh, something is happening. The departure board just changed. It says delayed next to our flight. What does that mean?
When a flight is delayed, it means the plane will not leave at the original time. It will leave later. Let's listen to the announcement. Attention passengers on Flight 472 to London. Due to a technical issue, your flight is delayed. The new estimated departure time is 4:30 p.m. We apologize for the inconvenience.
Okay, I heard delayed, and I heard a time 4:30. And something about estimated departure time? What is that?
Exactly right. Estimated departure time means the time the airline thinks the plane will leave. It is not 100% certain. It can still change. So keep watching the board.
So we wait here until 4:30. That's about an hour. I can do that. Can we get coffee?
Yes, but don't go too far. You need to hear the next announcements. And they might say something important, like a gate change.
A gate change? What's that?
A gate change means your flight is now departing from a different door. Instead of gate C7, they might move it to gate D9, for example. You have to walk to the new gate.
Oh no. Do we have to run?
Not always. It depends on how far the new gate is and how much time you have. But always move quickly when you hear a gate change. Let's pause and review the vocabulary from that first conversation. Word 1. Delayed. Delayed. The adjective delayed means something is happening later than planned. You can also use the noun, a delay. For example, there is a 2-hour delay.
Word 2. Overhead announcement. Overhead announcement. This is a message that comes from the ceiling speakers in a public place like an airport, train station, or shopping center. Always listen carefully. It could be important information about your flight.
Word 3. Estimated departure time. Estimated departure time. This is a very long phrase, but you will hear it often. Estimated means approximately. Departure means leaving. So estimated departure time means the approximate time the plane will leave.
Word 4. Gate change. Gate change. If you hear this, move quickly. A gate change means your flight is departing from a different gate. You can ask an airport employee, "Excuse me, what is the new gate for Flight 472?
Tip: at airports, always look at the screens as well as listening to announcements. Sometimes the announcement is hard to hear, but the information on the departure board is very clear.
Great advice. Now, let's go back to the story. The gate just changed, and there's another announcement coming. William, I heard it. They said gate change. We need to go to D9.
Well done, Sarah. You understood the announcement. Let's go. D9 is in the next concourse.
Okay, we're here, gate D9. But it says our flight is boarding. Are we too late?
This is the final boarding call for Flight 472 to London. All remaining passengers, please proceed to gate D9 immediately. This is your final boarding call.
That's us. Final boarding call. What does final mean here? Are they closing the door?
Yes, the final boarding call is the last warning. After this, they close the gate and the plane leaves without you. Let's run.
They also said proceed to gate. What does proceed mean?
Proceed means go or move towards. So please proceed to gate D9 means please go to gate D9 now. It sounds formal, but the meaning is simple.
We made it. I'm showing my boarding pass. We're getting on.
Well done, Sarah. You understood the overhead announcement about the gate change, you heard the final boarding call, and you got here in time. That's real progress.
I really did. And I only panicked a little bit. That's also real progress for me.
Let's review the second set of vocabulary. Final boarding call. Final boarding call. You hear this when the gate is about to close. Final means last. Boarding call means the announcement telling you to get on the plane. When you hear this, move immediately.
Proceed to gate. Proceed to gate. This formal phrase simply means go to the gate. You will hear it in every boarding announcement. Passengers are requested to proceed to gate B3. That means, everyone go to gate B3 now.
Quick tip. Airport announcements always follow the same structure. First, they get your attention. Attention passengers. Second, they name the flight. Flight 472 to London. Third, they give the information. Is now boarding. If you learn this structure, you'll catch the key details every time.
That is such a helpful tip. I was trying to understand every single word, but I just needed to listen for the flight number and the key action word delayed, boarding, gate change.
Now repeat after me. I will speak slowly. These are real airport announcement phrases. Your flight is delayed by 1 hour. Please proceed to gate D9 immediately. This is the final boarding call for flight 472. There has been a gate change. Please go to gate D9. The estimated departure time is now 4:30 p.m. Time for the quiz. Listen to each question and think of your answer before I tell you. Question 1. The announcement says your flight is delayed. What does delayed mean? It means your flight will leave later than planned. Question 2. You hear proceed to gate B5. What should you do? You should go to gate B5 now. Question 3. What is the final boarding call? It is the last announcement before the gate closes. After this, the plane leaves without you. Excellent work. You now understand the most important airport announcements in English. Practice by listening to real airport announcement videos online. That wraps up English 003 at the airport, understanding announcements. Today's key vocabulary: delayed, gate change, final boarding call, proceed to gate, estimated departure time, and overhead announcement. 6 powerful phrases that will make you feel confident at any airport in the world.
This is Sarah, and I'm officially no longer afraid of airport announcements. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Real English Podcast. We have more real-life English situations coming your way. See you in the next one.